Dear friends, today I'm going to discuss a very common problem which is called as varicocele. Why varicocele is so important to understand? Number one, it's very common. Almost 15% of normal men do have varicocele. Number two, not every varicocele needs a surgery. Majority varicoceles do not need any kind of surgery. Number three, varicocele on the right hand side sometimes rarely can be a sign of underlying kidney cancer. Number four, varicocele can lead to infertility in men. Now let us understand what is varicocele. Varicocele is abnormal dilatation of veins around the testes inside the scrotum. If you notice, there are veins on the hands like all of us have. These veins are present normally in the testes, around the testes in the scrotum also. However, in some people there can be defect in the valves of these veins and it leads to abnormal flow of blood in these veins, leading to their engorgement or dilatation, and this abnormal dilatation of the veins around the testes in the scrotum is called as varicocele. This is present in 15% of the normal men. Many times it is detected due to some other reason. A person undergoes an ultrasound and it is incidentally detected. What are the other presentations? Sometimes people can present with some pain or heaviness inside the scrotum. Most of the times it's more like a discomfort or heaviness rather than a very severe pain. Number two, some people can present with shrinkage of the testes if it is present for a long duration or it is of a very big size. The size is more important rather than a small sized varicocele. Number three, some men can present with infertility. Why infertility happens? Whenever the varicocele is present, sometimes it causes some abnormalities in the temperature control mechanism of the testes in the scrotum. Normally the scrotum keeps the temperature regulated inside the testes for producing the sperms or maintaining the cells, the health of the cells which produce the sperms. The temperature inside the scrotum is normally 1 to 2 degree lower than the body temperature. So if varicocele is present, it can lead to some temperature dysregulation and problem with the production of sperms there. Other mechanism, there can be some oxidative stress and that can lead to problems in production of the spermatozoa, and this can lead to infertility in some men. So which are the conditions which require treatment? As I mentioned earlier, not every varicocele requires treatment. Only 3 set of people would require some treatment. Number one, if the pain is continuous, not responding to medications, that is the situation when varicocele surgery may be considered. Number two, if a large size varicocele is causing shrinkage of the testes of that side, then it is another indication for treatment of varicocele. Lastly, if varicocele is the cause of infertility, that is the third situation where treatment is required. One rare chance of, as I mentioned earlier, there can be presence of underlying kidney cancer on the right hand side if varicocele is present in the right hand side. That's a rare situation and that can be ruled out clinically or by ultrasound. So does it happen with some exercise or some particular food? The answer is no. No food or exercise can lead to formation of varicoceles. It is only because of faulty valves in those veins which are present around the testes. How is the surgery done? First of all, there is no medical cure for varicocele. If varicocele is present, no amount of medication, no amount of change in dietary pattern can lead to reduction in the size of varicocele. The name of the surgery is called as microscopic varicocelectomy. Under a high magnification using a special microscope, a small cut is made around the root of the scrotum less than 1 inch. The abnormal veins are visualized, they are tied off or clipped and cut. The purpose of high magnification is to preserve vital structures which are present around those veins. So once a varicocele is present, not every varicocele needs surgery. There will be very few situations, as I mentioned, where any intervention is required. So dear friends, I hope you could understand a few things about varicocele which you were not aware of earlier. And this is Dr. Aman Gupta, Senior Consultant Urology and Kidney Transplant. Till we meet again with similar topics in future. Thank you so much.